Mindfulness, a transformative practice rooted in ancient tradition, has permeated modern life as a solution to our incessant busyness. It centers around being fully present in the moment and aware of where we are and what we're doing, without becoming overwhelmed by our surroundings. One major appeal is its scientifically supported ability to reduce stress, making it a popular tool in managing daily pressures. Beyond stress relief, mindfulness can sharpen focus, allowing us to excel in tasks by keeping our minds from straying into distractions. Engaging in mindfulness also fosters emotional health, making us better equipped to deal with negative emotions like anger and sadness. Breath-focused mindfulness is a foundational exercise suitable for beginners seeking a path into the practice. To start, choose a quiet spot and sit in a comfortable position with your eyes gently closed. Begin to turn your attention inward, focusing solely on the rhythm of your breath. Notice each inhalation, feeling the air fill your lungs, and each exhalation, sensing the release of tension. This simple yet powerful technique helps center your mind, pulling it back from distracting thoughts and unnecessary worries. By regularly practicing breath-focused mindfulness, you cultivate a habit of calm and attentiveness that extends beyond the exercise itself. Mindful observation is a practice that enhances your perception by focusing deeply on an object from nature, such as a leaf, a flower, or even a stone. Begin by selecting an object nearby and devote your full attention to it for a few minutes. Observe its color, shape, texture, and any other attributes without labeling or evaluating them as good or bad. This exercise is not just about seeing, but about noticing the essence and intricacy of the object. Through mindful observation, you learn to see the world without the clutter of preconceived notions, experiencing a fresh, unfiltered perspective. The body scan is a mindfulness technique that promotes deep awareness of physical sensations throughout the body. This practice starts at the feet and gently moves up to the head. Sit or lie comfortably and begin to focus on each part of your body in turn. Notice any sensations, such as warmth, coolness, tension, or relaxation, without trying to change them. This method can uncover areas where stress accumulates and promotes a state of calm acceptance. Practicing a body scan routinely helps cultivate a greater awareness of the body's needs and responses, fostering a deeper connection between mind and body. Mindful listening is an essential practice that shifts how we interact with the world. It involves paying close attention to the sounds surrounding us, whether it's the rustling of leaves, distant traffic, or voices in a crowd. The key is to hear these sounds without creating stories or judgment. This practice not only heightens our sensory perception but also anchors us firmly in the present moment. By engaging in mindful listening, we learn to tune out distractions and tune into the nuances of our environments, fostering a deeper, more connected experience with the world around us.